In this quick short video, I am going to show you how to add content to your community library. To add content to your community library, navigate to your admin panel, click on Library, and this will take you to your library dashboard where you will see all of the content that you have added to your library. To add a new content to your library, you will click on Add New. On the drop down here, you will have the option of being able to add video, audio, PDF, and embedded content to your library. You also have the option to create a category that will house and organize some of the content that's inside of your library. To add a content, you will click on the options that you want to select. So I will select video. You will give the video a name. So we'll call this demo video, and a brief summary. So we'll call it demo video summary. And you will click next. This will take you into the edit mode for your video. And here you will be able to add a thumbnail image for your video that will be housed inside of your library. You'll also be able to select the source for your video. You can select video URL and grab a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. Or you can select upload from computer and grab a video file from your computer. Next, you'll be able to write a description. This description will be publicly visible to members who are accessing this particular video that you store inside of your content library. The next step is you'll be able to customize a lock screen for members who do not have access to your content that's housed inside of your library. So for example, if you wanted to set the access level for your content to be paid, and you wanted to show for paid members, and you wanted to set an instruction for non-paying members who are on free plan to upgrade their subscription, you will be able to do that with the lock screen. So with access levels, you can just designate who in your community has access, and this could either be free or by all paid members, or one-time fee, by plans, or by segments. And you will also be able to determine who is able to see the content that's housed inside of your library. You can set it to be community, public, or hidden. And the final settings when it comes to uploading and adding content to your library is you can set general settings if you want to enable discussions for that particular library content, or if you want to make it downloadable or moderate discussions that do take place. Once you are done, you will click save, and you are ready to go. Now here I will show you some examples of how other communities inside a group app are utilizing the library. So here's Little Flower Yoga here, and this is their content library inside of their community, and they have it categorized by different types. They have personal practice category, they have practice for children, they have teaching tips and resources, they have webinar recordings in their library, they have worksheets in their library, and they have curriculum in their library. Now, if I click into one of these categories, let's say for example, worksheets, it will take me to all of the worksheets that they have uploaded and added to the category. So they have several PDF worksheets. If I go back and I click on, let's say, webinars, I will see all of the webinar recordings that they have recorded and added to their library. Now here's another example from Mastermind City. Here, they do not use categories. They just organize their library by visual images. They have several different resources in their library for their members. They have authority and influence quiz, podcast guide and checklist, summer networking, webinar replay here. They have best tech for business replay as well. So they're utilizing it to house their guides, free training, and event replays. So that's how to set up your library content inside of your community.